In this session on the Amersham Typhoon, we're going to talk about how to clean the low fluorescent glass stage. So obviously we need to open the door, pull out the stage. You should routinely do this before and after imaging any wet gels that might be potentially contaminating the stage. So we have here distilled water and 70% ethanol. So you usually want to start off with the 70% ethanol. You're going to use a lint-free tissue. So we have a Kim wipe here. Going to dry that off, and then after you've done the ethanol, we're going to use the deionized water, and again we're going to take that off. So in this case I'm just working on this bottom corner because this is where I've been working, but if you've been working on other parts of the low fluorescent glass stage, then obviously you need to clean the entire area. The other important thing here is to make note that there's actually two sides to the glass, and sometimes you might have residual contamination, and it could well be on the underside of the instrument. So in that case you would need to take the stage out and turn it over and make sure you do the same wash procedure that I just showed there. There's some other ways we can actually clean the stage if you have really bad contamination. One of those is a protocol employing 10% hydrogen peroxide, and that usually works pretty well. If you still have excessive fluorescent contamination after doing that, then you want to follow the local health and safety procedures, but you can take the stage out of the machine, take it into a safe room, expose it to a UV light box, and that should photo bleach out any excess fluorescence contamination that you have on the stage.